Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to my friends, Watu TV. It's the CAF Confed Cup, Kaizer Chiefs 2, Al Masry 1. I'm joined by Coach Jimmy Wabutokwa.
Tango!
Yeah.
Ergije Pelenya.
Yeah, hoje Al Masry Mo. Hoje Al Masry Mo. Imunati Al Masry Mo.
Eskim.
Yes, Kim.
Tango.
Kim bonjour.
Tlapa e khona. Organic
Al Masry. Asio.
I khona fa. She was supposed to win 5 or 3.
Yes, definitely.
But they never score. You see Chabalala?
Yeah.
Today again.
Yes.
Messi opportunity.
1v1.
1v1.
Yeah.
But the ball will come.
Yes.
Chiefs in a Liverpool 10 point.
Man.
It's going through Zamalek.
Yes.
And Zenko lost.
Yes.
Zamalek lost today.
Yes.
It's going to be difficult for Chiefs at Zamalek, Egypt.
Oboya.
Big crowd. Chiefs win.
Yes.
They're happy.
Very.
I want Chiefs to win.
Yes.
When they come to the 8,
Yes.
they must feel the pain, the real pain. We're going
FNB Stadium.
Roba beta.
Yeah.
Roba shy.
Basiba.
Abatsiba.
Basiba.
Makosi. Again, lo urkumani kukwan.
Uga.
Oh, gemkhadile kamar kukwan. Relax.
Yeah.
When you come here, don't talk Paris too much.
Yes.
Talk about Chiefs. I'll say Paris. Paris will play.
Yes.
But Chiefs, they come all of them.
Yes.
They win. They're happy. We're happy for them.
Yes.
Because first time they lose to Stellenbosch and it's good, they're out. They must focus on CAF.
Yes.
If you don't want to focus on CAF, they can take the league.
I never look.
I
never look.
Just focus on CAF, fight for CAF.
Yes.
Because on the 28th, Marcos were coming. This is Kosi. You know Muremi?
Yeah.